Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the NASDAQ futures. Today is Thursday, January 18th. Time is around 8 p.m. GMT. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart. It's been a while. I did a NASDAQ update because we were just hanging here in this area. There was nothing new to add, but today we started to move again. Nice move up here. So let's have a look what exactly this move could be. So remember in my last video, I was or I suspected like the end of a structure right here, but I could not really say if the end was right here, that or wave one was located right here or right here. That was a bit difficult at the time because indeed we have a high here with divergence. So it could be our fifth wave, but at the same time, you can never exclude another high with divergence. But so I think now we got confirmation that the structure here, the upper structure is finished, that we started something new right here. What we are seeing here and here has nothing to do anymore with the structure right here. So we are doing a new cycle. So now we have to explain or try to explain what exactly or how exactly this cycle could develop. First of all, remember I told you that a possible trap could be that we have an expanded flat structure right here. So that our wave one was finished as shown in red, wave A down, wave B up, overshooting wave B, and then a wave C down as an impulse, and we start a new cycle from here. So the wave 2 low could be located right here, shallow wave 2. And so now we are taking out the high right here. So that means that this scenario is actually quite plausible. I would say we are making a new high in a new cycle. So that could mean that we start here or third wave. I told you, like normally, what we should expect is some kind of A, B, C correction. Like this is the textbook Elliott Wave pattern that would happen: 5 waves up and then 3 waves down. It was also shown here in green: A, B, C. But yeah, at the same time, if you have an expanded flat right here, then this could have been your corrective move. So the scenario here in red is definitely one that can play out, which means that our correction is over and that we are actually starting a new upward cycle from here. So that would mean the third wave after a shallow wave 2. Now, does it has to happen like this, or does it has to play out like this? No, there is still another possibility. Okay, taking out the high right here is a good indication that this scenario, that our wave 2 low was in right here. But again, we cannot close our eyes for possible traps. And so, okay, the A, B, C down like this is not longer possible. What could be possible is an expanded flat structure from here. So A down, B up, and then C down. But like the structure we are seeing here, for me, this looks really like an impulse down. So not really. So in an expanded flat structure, or A wave should take place in 3 waves, 1, 2, 3, and this what we are seeing here for me looks more like an impulse, but okay, let's assume that we can do like a three-wave structure like this, 1, 2, 3, and that this is our wave A of an expanded flat structure. Then what we don't want to see, or what we want to see depending on what or how you would like to trade, like if this is an expanded flat structure, then our wave B should stay here in this area. So like this. We cannot go beyond the 1.236 FIB extension, because then it's no longer plausible to have or to count this as an expanded flat. Then we are, if we go beyond this level, then we are in another scenario. But so first of all, we actually have to take out the high right here, and if I look well here on the Owanda platform, I did not consult yet other data sources, but here on the Owanda platform, that did not happen yet. So excuse me if I drew my conclusion too fast, but okay, assuming that we will take out the high later today or tomorrow, then I just want to give you this scenario where we have an expanded flat structure, and then after this wave B up, we could come down as a wave C. So that would still be a possibility to take out the low right here. Of course, if we do not take out the high right here, then the scenario, the A, B, C, without this being an expanded flat structure, is also still possible. Then our wave A fits here as an impulse. Then this move we are seeing here is corrective. So then I would say this is like our wave A, wave B, and this here is the wave C. So that's also a possibility in case we do not take out the high right here. It already happened before that I was assuming that we would take out the high because we went so close, but in the end we didn't take it out. So also now I have to be careful. So we didn't take it out yet. The expanded flat structure, therefore, does not has to play out. It can still be an A, B, C pattern like this. But if we would take it out, then expanded flat is still a possibility if we stay into this area. Although this structure down here is not the wave A that we expect in an expanded flat. And so if we take out the high, then actually from here, from the wave 2 low, this could be our wave 1 as shown in red. Then I gave you this area for a potential wave 2. Structure here looks corrective. This structure here looks corrective, so this could be our wave 2, and we almost reached the 0.5 FIB retracement, as you can see. So that's the area for our wave 2. Okay, in conclusion, here the trap as an expanded flat could have played out. So could be that our wave 2 low was in right here. And then what we are seeing now is actually quite nice. Impulse up, wave 1, corrective structure down, wave 2. And so then this here could be the beginning of our wave 3. If we do not take out the high right here, then the structure down here as an A, B, C could play out. If we would take out the high and we stay in this area here as wave B, then we could still have the expanded flat possibility, although the structure right here is not really in favor of this expanded flat structure, because what we want to see here is a wave A in 3, 1, 2, 3, and this looks more impulsive to me. Okay, that's it. If you enjoyed this analysis, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you one of the next days for another video on the NASDAQ. Have a nice day. Bye bye.